Identify the error. Walking through the park, the sudden loud noise made the baby cry in fear and cling to her mother. Or is there no error? I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Ang tamang sagot, letter A. Yung letter A ang mali dyan because it is an example of a dangling modifier. Ano ba yung dangling modifier? Ito yung mga modifier like this na walang minomodify or missing yung minomodify nila or wala silang dinidescribe or pinatutungkulan. Sino ba yung nag-walk through the park? Yung loud noise ba? Diba hindi? So it won't make sense. Kaya yung subject or yung tagagawa dapat ng walking, wala siya. Missing siya. Kaya naging dangling modifier itong letter A. Para maitama itong sentence na to, pwede tayong magdagdag ng subject, yung tagagawa ng walking. So pwede natin sabihin, instead ng walking through the park, pwede natin sabihin na, as we were walking through the park, the sudden loud noise, blah, blah, blah. So in that case, meron na tayong tagagawa ng walking. So ito, hindi na siya dangling.